بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
So the first attribute we'll try to understand, there is something called AS-Path attribute. Now again, this AS-Path attribute is a well-known attribute, well-known, recognized by all the BGP implementations, and it is a mandatory attribute, means it must carry this information when it is sending this update to the neighbors. So AS-Path information will be carried along with the BGP updates. So what is AS-Path? AS-Path is again the list of AS numbers it actually passing through. Like in this example, you can see there is a 20.net subnet. When this 20.net subnet is advertised to the next router, it will advertise this 20.net subnet. Along with that, it tells that it's coming from 65,444. That is my AS number. Now, when this information is passed on from here to here, let's say, it's going to tell that this network is originating from this AS. This is my originating AS. And then it is going to this AS before it actually comes to this AS. So you can see the AS path information is written in the update. Likewise, when this AS is advertising to this, it will advertise this AS path information in that BGP update. So what we need to know here is the same example here. You can see there is a 40.net subnet. When this 40.net subnet is advertised here, it will advertise that 40.net subnet is coming from 400 AS number. And I is origin code. We'll talk about this a little bit later. And likewise, when this update is coming from this side, let's say to my AS, it's going to tell that I'm receiving this 40.net subnet. And the AS number, it's originating from 400, and then 300, and then 200 before it comes to my AS. Now, AS number or AS path information is something like a mandatory attribute. Now, one thing we need to understand here is you can see the AS number. So whatever the last number, that number represents your originating AS from where exactly that route is coming. So from where it is originating. So this 40.net network is originating means advertised from 400. And if you see back to front, it will show you this route is originating from 400, and then it goes to 300, and then it goes to 200 before it comes to my AS. So if you see back to front, you will see it's originating from this AS and coming to my neighbor AS. And whatever the first number you see, whenever you see the AS number information by using show IP BGP, we'll verify this when we get into the configuration. So the first number always represents your neighbor AS. Means if you want to see how from my AS, how to go to 40.net network. So if you see front to back, first you have to go to 200, then 300, and then 400. That is your destination. If you want to see how I'm receiving the route, then you see back to front. It's originating from 400, then goes to 300, and then 200, which is my neighbor AS. So this AS path information, that's how you need to understand whenever you see this AS path information. Likewise, the same thing here. This is your originating AS, and this is my neighbor AS. So this route is originating from here. This is my originating AS, and this is my neighbor AS, this one. This is my neighbor AS here. So this is important to know. And also one more thing you need to know is this AS number is also used in loop prevention. Because whenever you are trying to send this update back to this one, so when you're sending back this 40.net network, the AS path information will be 400, and then 300, and then 200, and then 100, right? So now this will not accept this route, because whenever a BGP router, when it sees its own AS number in the BGP update, Because what is my AS number? 400, and here you can see it is 400. Maybe here or wherever it is in the path. Whenever it sees its own AS number, simply it will discard the route. So that is another importance of AS-Path attribute. So why it is carried? Because it is also used in the loop prevention mechanism, where there is a possibility that some routes may get advertised from one AS and may end up receiving on the same AS. So that may loop actually. So to prevent that, BGP will not accept any routing update if it sees its own AS number in the update. Again, this AS-Path information is used to prevent that loops. And one more thing, whenever you are receiving the same routes from both the sides, like here, let's say this is my AS, and I'm receiving this 40 network from this side. If I receive from here, there are 3 AS hops, right? 3 AS hops, AS-Path hops, because you have to go with 1, 2, and 3. Not the number of routers, it is autonomous system paths. And when I'm receiving the same route from this side, it is just 1 AS, only just 400, just one. So by default, the BGP path selection process will be selected based on the least AS hops. That is by default. Again, we can change, we can modify with some attributes. But if you're not doing anything, the default path selection process or the default best route will be calculated by BGP based on the least AS. Like in this example, from my AS to go to this network, there's only 1 AS hop. And if you go from this side, it will be 3 hops. 3 hops means not routers. It will be 3 autonomous system hops. Okay. So that's what the AS-Path attributes. So when the BGP carries any update, it will include the AS-Path information. And whenever you see the AS-Path information, the last number will be originating AS and the first number will be the neighbor AS. And also it is used in loop prevention. And also if there are multiple ways you receive the same route updates, then probably it is going to select the best route based on the shortest AS path list, which is more desirable.